Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Quaxly, the water starter Pokemon from Pokemon Scarlet Violet version. First, always change the background color to gray. Then, add new layer to create the rough sketch. Since the design of Quaxly is not very complicated, then the one thing you must pay attention is its anatomy. Quaxly body is smaller than its head. And Quaxly has big hands like a wing. When you are done with the sketch, turn down the opacity to 40%. Then, add new layer to create the final outline. You can start from anywhere you like, but it's easier to start from the front part. Pay attention to the details in this phase. Now the outline is perfect, it's time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference, so that the other layer can read the shapes in it. Then, add new layer for the mid-tone colors. Remember to use one layer for one color. After that, add another new layer above every mid-tone color and name it a shadow tone. Then, set it as clipping mask, so the shadow tone can only read the layer below it. Pick the darker color for the shadow. Repeat this step for the highlight tone. Pay attention about where the light will come from. You do that, then you can decide where the darker part and the lighter part of the character. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.